In my previous video, as you have seen, I have decided to buy this small mini tripod for my Insta360 and I am very much happy with this because it is very small and compact. You can also put it inside your pocket. It is very much portable, and I decided to search for some more tripods, and I have seen on YouTube from Ben, a YouTuber who have used a very small tripod which is smaller than this one. So I decided to buy the tripod. This one. This is the Joby micro tripod. Let's unbox it quickly. Joby micro tripod. As you can see, it's so small, smaller than the phone also. This is a manual. As you can see, grip tight micro tripod. Some pictures are there how to set up. This is the mini tripod. As you can see, if you want to compare it with this one, you can see it is just the half of this mini tripod. Let's see what else we got. This one is the phone holder. I'll screw it on top of the tripod like this. And now we can put our phone on this. So as you can see, this tripod is very small, smaller than this tripod. If you don't want to put mobile phone, then you remove this one. In this case, we will put our Insta360 camera. It is very stable. It is made up of metal. Also, it is so small, it will fit inside your pocket. You just have to do it like this. This is your tripod. It is the size of my finger. You can also see it is so small than this camera, so that you can put it inside this case also, like this. Also, if you want to take this one with this, that also you can do. Put it inside your pocket and you are anytime ready to shoot with your phone. So this is the best tripod you will get, but it is not the cheap tripod. Like this is only $7. It is almost $30. I bought this from Amazon. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you for watching.